there you go. Hello, happy morning. What is your name? Bonito. Hello there, Bonito. And isang Bonito, today be proud because you will be helping us feed one of our lovely animal friends, okay? All we have to do is to hold this feeding bottle. Okay, just hold it. Now, Bonito, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. As soon as you are ready, please welcome Amber. Where are you, Amber? Hello there. Alright, Bonito, you may now give the bottle. And then you need to hold Amber just like a baby. Your hand like this. Just relax. Okay, wow. How about picture taking together with Amber? By the way, Amber is our Philippine long-tailed macaque. They can live approximately 40 years